Ever had that sinking feeling when you realize your USDT is stuck on Beam Wallet? You're not alone. Frustrating, right? But fear not, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to get your USDT unblocked and back into circulation. We'll cover everything step by step, so even if you're a crypto newbie, you'll have this sorted in no time. Imagine this: you're ready to make a crucial crypto trade, maybe a DeFi investment or a quick swap. You go to your Beam wallet, eager to use your USDT, but nothing. It's frozen. Blocked. Panic sets in. What gives? Well, there are a few common reasons why your USDT might be feeling a little stuck on Beam wallet. Firstly, network congestion. Think of it like a traffic jam on the blockchain highway. When the network gets overloaded with transactions, it can slow things down significantly, sometimes even halting them. Secondly, insufficient fees. Just like tipping a waiter, you need to pay a small fee to incentivize miners to process your transaction. If that fee is too low, your transaction might get lost in the shuffle. And finally, there could be an issue with the receiving address. If the address you're trying to send your USDT to is invalid or incompatible, your transaction will simply fail. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get to the good stuff: how to unblock those USDT. Check network status. The first thing to do is check the status of the USDT network. Head over to a reputable blockchain explorer like Etherscan or BSCScan. Look for any reports of network congestion or outages. If there's a major issue, you'll have to wait it out until the network stabilizes. Increase transaction fees. If network congestion isn't the culprit, try increasing the transaction fee. This will make your transaction more attractive to miners, ensuring it gets processed quickly. Most wallets allow you to adjust the fee amount. Double-check the receiving address. Carefully review the receiving address. Make absolutely sure it's correct and compatible with USDT. A single misplaced character can render the address invalid. Contact Beam Wallet support. If you've checked everything and your USDT is still blocked, it's time to reach out to Beam Wallet support. They have a team of experts who can investigate the issue and provide assistance. You can usually find their contact information on their official website or within the wallet app itself. Wait patiently. In some cases, it might take a little time for the blockchain to process your transaction. Be patient and allow some time for the issue to resolve itself. With these steps, you should be well on your way to unblocking your USDT and getting back to your crypto endeavors. Remember, blockchain technology can sometimes be a bit unpredictable. But by staying informed and taking the right steps, you can navigate any roadblocks that come your way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.